Of all the assignments that I've done for Apple Pi, this could be the one that I most enjoy.
Come in!
To ensure that I don't get caught, I must wipe the gun carefully, and the shell. This way no one will be able to take fingerprints from it. The thing is, to be able to take fingerprints from any surface, the traces of sweat must still be present. You hear that noise? Fingerprints were first taken about 100 years ago. At that time, the records were stored locally, but as technology advanced, they were stored nationally. Many police stations now have enrolment capture units which scan fingertips. This dispenses with the messy part. Once the suspect's details have been entered, each finger and thumb is scanned. The digital fingerprints can then be compared to any criminal database worldwide. Unfortunately for me, a police scientist in Northampton, Dr. John Bond, has developed a new technique that makes fingerprints detectable, even when the sweat on the shell case has been wiped clean. This technique is so new that this is the only machine in the world that can detect fingerprints in this way. The sample is given a charge of 2,500 volts, then fine beads coated in black powder are put on. They only stick where the shell has been corroded by human sweat from the fingerprints. Here's what the real Mr. Bond had to say.
Conventional fingerprint techniques all rely on some form of visualization of the sweat that you leave behind. They chemically react with it and make it visible so you can see it. Our technique doesn't need that sweat, it works with the corrosion that's left behind, so this can work when conventional techniques will fail.
Both British and American police are keen to use this method. What we're trying to get from this Apple Pi is that police techniques are improving all the time, such as palm prints being taken. These are easy to find at a crime scene, but until recently very difficult to take and record. This means that the percentage of crimes that are solved continues to rise. Okay, you can let me out now. It was only a joke. I didn't really kill Miss Morris. Mr. Ecott told me to do it. Honest. Back to the studio.